Right, welcome. Today is match day. It's just after 6. I'm chucking the last bit of stuff into the car. There we go. It's gonna be freezing cold this morning. We're gonna have a lekker shoot out in Toast River. Very dark. It's gonna be very cold. So I've got my basically ski jacket on because last time I was freezing. I'm excited to go out to shoot. We need to hit the road, put in some petrol, grab some banana muffins and coffee, and then we'll head out to Toast River. I don't think we're gonna see any snow today, but let's hope we have a lot of fun. I'll see you on the other side. Right, so we've just made the usual stop for coffee. This time we got toasted sandwich, met some fellow shooters. We actually do have some snow on the little peaks at the back there. About the last 40 minutes left of our drive. Today we have, I think it's the first time ever we're gonna have somebody else on this channel. So we're joined by no one else than my beautiful wife, Danielle. So it's breakfast time and she's gonna come watch us shoot for the day. So no pressure. It's about 7 degrees at the moment. Hopefully we don't need the thick jacket over there. But very cloudy in the direction we're heading. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. About 40 minutes left, so let me time warp you all the way to Toast River. Right, so we just arrived on the range. It's super cold. Everyone's sitting up at the back here to get zeroed. Julle sien die video? As hy het 2 kort broeke aan want dit is baie koud. And it rained on the way here, but they're setting up the zero targets. We're gonna start shooting probably in the next 2 minutes or so. Get some zero, see if we can ring some steel at distance through the ballistics. And it should be a fun day. So let's get the zero done. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch the tiger by the toe. If we harness, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright, up we go. So we've just done zeroing the rifles. Some more people just double checking dope out to distance. Yeah, it's looking good. It's very cold. Normally we don't do like a just straight to the range sort of thing. We have some B-roll, wipers, and it was raining on the way here. But I was listening to a great podcast with Joe Rogan and Elon Musk about artificial intelligence, which I'll probably link down below. Fascinating, go watch it. We have a good turnout. My car is super dirty. That's what we'll be shooting at. It's very rainy. Let's see if the camera will do that much better. But the weather seems to be clearing up. That way it looks very miserable still. But yeah, so the match's about to start. We're about to do the match briefing now. It's gonna be fun. I think we got decent turnout, so I'm super excited for that. Last match before we do the sort of finals in November, or last PRS match for that matter. Rifle's good. I decided to go for the carbon one just because I've got a lot of trigger time on it, so we're gonna run that. Anyway, let's head to the match briefing and we'll see you on stage 1. Bad boys.
Hit! Nicely done with time to spare. Yep. Hit! Hit! $30 seconds. That's it! Clear the rifle. 2 points. Well done, Botti! It's almost cleaned the stage.
Timer.
I wasn't far off, bro. With this Norinco ammo, it was like just low, just high, just left, just right.
Oh, it looks close.
There was a couple that were just low, just low.
Where do we start? Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, nice. Hit. Up the mountain. Up the mountain, spot is on.
Hit.
Nicely done, that's good.
Firm.
Yeah, firm to finish.
30 seconds.
Yeah, good stuff. Clear it. 8 points.
So not going too badly today so far. Still pretty cold, so trying to hide from the icy wind. The conditions have cleared up really nicely. But there is, you can't see it because it rained here last night. Well, when we do that, you can see it. There's a little bit of wind, and in typical Charles River fashion, the wind is shifty the whole time. So then you'll have 100% 3 o'clock wind, and basically on this same stage you'll get a straight dead on wind. So far going alright. Not shooting great, not shooting terribly, just got a 8 out of 12 on this stage. Yeah, it's okay, we're having fun. It's awesome having my wife here, see what it is that we come out and do every time I get up so early in the morning. Yeah, fun shoot, great turnout so far. We have 2 stages left, and we'll see you on the other side of those 2 stages, I guess.
Shooter ready.
Not yet? No.
Stand by. Go.
Hit. Hit 2.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Hit for 1.
1. Time. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Begin.
Good. 2 points. Miss. Miss.
1.
Hit. It's not. Miss.
Oh,
That's
not
gotta
the
be a
miss.
hit. Fuck, how long did it take for that sound to come back?
Yeah.
It's 2 points, eh?
Right, so we had a fun match. I didn't shoot the greatest, as you'll see when we review the footage. I'll probably have played some of that by now. Some stages I shot the wrong targets, felt like I missed a few shots that I shouldn't have missed. Dope was on, I just didn't do my best in reading the wind. I guess that's what happens when you don't really practice with your main gun. In South Africa, it's too expensive, really. Yeah, I'm happy to win. Would have liked to shoot better. Anyway, we had fun. We got out. It was great having Danny here. It rained on us a little bit. You'll notice I'm in a different outfit as we're heading to a braai. But yeah, we're on our way to the Spur quickly because we're starving, and the braai's only this evening, and we decided that winners get waffles. So we're gonna go have some waffles, and if you want to come along, keep watching, and then you'll see me eat a waffle.